retarded from the beginning. I'm still retarded. I'm being right. Even the heart addicted reminds me of the one I love. Even the heart.
Well, on everybody's face, you are a very special person, Kashmir. And for being so special, we have something special for you. We want to award you with your first $20, buddy. That is your money, okay?
Yes.
Don't give that to mommy or daddy. You earned that. Do you have a girlfriend? You do? You got messed.
Retarded from the beginning. I'm still retarded. Fuck around, I'm still retarded.
Let's go jump that nigga.
Of course I'm retarded.
I know. Love you two niggas.
You're the base. Hey, well, you guys are a couple of retards. Hey, we are a couple of retards. You gonna play me a song? Yes. Come on in, what do you want? Read them. Oh, you want to get a picture first? Yeah. Got you. You know, in our video. The stars at night are being right. Even the heart addicted reminds me of the one I love. Even the heart addicted. Hold on. Whoa. That's why I hang my briefs in NYC.
I'm good.
My friend, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday to you. I don't know you. I think you last time where you were standing, man. It's like you're looking for the continental travel. One staircase. Pocket team with them.
No.
I know. Why would you need 5 guys?
America's Next Top Model. Somebody's wife. You guys are gonna get me in trouble, man. I got this one song that makes all the ladies go crazy.
You better be hot.
Yes, I think she wants you the whole show, bro. She's waiting for you. Yes, she looks perfect. Make some noise for the diva, make some noise! Stop the show. Where you from? Make some noise for Germany! Ich liebe dich. Danke, danke. No! Guys, head straight. Arms to your side. Nobody move. Guys, it's about to get dangerous. It's about to get crazy. Guys, squeeze together. Squeeze
We are playing repeaters.
He's good. It'll be okay. He's good. You don't know her. We don't play that shit. Turn your ass around. Where you from? Where you from, man? Where you from? France. That's why. We. Yeah, get your ass in the back. We don't trust you. Push, motherfucker. Are you okay? You can step all the way back. You have nothing to worry about? He's gay. He didn't say nothing when French turn around. Not a damn word. Hey buddy, what's your name? Cadmere. Make some noise for Kashmir! Hey buddy, listen up. My mom and dad always told me and my best friends that kids are the future. Without you guys, we won't have a better tomorrow. I know for a fact, with kids as brave and talented as you, we're guaranteed to have a beautiful and great future. Because when you came out here, you put a smile on everybody's face. You are a very special person, Kashmir. And for being so special, we have something special for you. We want to award you with your first $20, buddy. That is your money, okay? Yes. Don't give that to mommy or daddy. You earned that. Do you have a girlfriend? You do. You got messed up, man. You only have $1. She has the 19. Put that in your pocket. Step right over here, okay? Hurry up. Put it in your pocket. That white guy's watching you. It's like $20, no taxes. New York City, you must know that my friends and my family, we have traveled all around the world doing shows just like this. But we truly believe that if you look to your left and look to your right, we have a positive vibe of all different nationalities and religious backgrounds. It doesn't matter if you're black, white, Hispanic, Asian, Muslim, gay, or straight. He's gay. Shut the hell up. There's only one race in the world today. And what's that? And that's the human race. Make some noise for yourselves. Hey, black guy, if you don't clap, you look racist. You better clap. Now, New York City, we are doing something positive.
No negative.
This is how we support each other.
Yes.
This is how we make an honest living.
Yes.
So that means what you give us is what we go home with. An average donation to a show like this is usually $20.
$20.
Cheaper than a Broadway play.
Yes.
Guys, if you're kind enough to donate $20,
Thank you, we love you.
it could be $10.
Thank you, we love
It
you.
could be your last $3 to $5 to $6.
Thank you, I love you.
But if you don't have any money, it's okay.
Why?
There's an ATM inside McDonald's. No, seriously, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have cash, don't dash. We also take Cash App, Venmo, and Apple Pay. So please show your appreciation.
We a donation.
20 is our lucky number.
100% free.
Guys, give us 60 seconds because the more they pay, the safer you are. Here we go. New York City, real quickly, hold on the donation. Show your love, not your anger.
Stop the show. From Orlando. Make it up for Orlando.
Guys, turn around, face me. Turn around, face me. What's going on, Carlos? From where? Whoa. You said Mexico? He look like El Chapo. Get 100, get 100. I love him. He's the jefe. Guys, sweetie, do me a favor. Step right over here. Step right over here. Guys, listen up. Everybody here donated except for you guys.
I donated.
I know you did. You can step right over here. The black guy doesn't die in my movie. Guys, listen up. $20 can put you in the front safe. 50 to 100, you can leave. $1,000, you can take a Mexican home tonight. Where you from? France. Merci beaucoup. Push. Make some noise for France. ¿Cómo se va? Se va bien. Push. Where you from? Orlando, Florida. Donated $20. Make some noise. Let's party together. You more important than the kid. Go in front of the kid, man. Where you from, man? The Warhead Mexico donated $20. Pa' frente arriba. Where you from? San Diego, California donated $20. Step to the front. Oh, where you from? Ah, France. Oh, you donated? No, right?
Any donations for the
Oh,
show?
they donated $1. You're gonna die, motherfucker. And don't be a patria, Santa La Fili. Guys, you guys pay for safety. Do you want to be a part of the jump or do you want to watch? You want to be a part of it? Step right over here. Uno para coger.
Volunteer!